Can you see it? One of those gray stalk birds. Those things will eat snakes. They'll eat birds. They'll eat squirrels. Those guys will probably eat anything. It's blending in right with the tree. It's on a hunt. It's hunting. Standing still. Oop, just lifted up his head. Looking around. Yeah, that's one of those stalk birds.
They could almost like when they fly, they look like they're gliding.
Yeah, they creeped right over to my bird feeder and ate a squirrel and ate a bird. I thought it was just coming over to say hello or eat some bird seed, but it ate the bird. That's sad. Well, that's him. Can't zoom in any further. It blends in really well. We're at this pond. Some kind of a building over there. I don't know what the hell that is. Yep, there he is. You stay out of my yard, right? Okay? Whoa. Wow.
He's got babies to feed.
Yeah, he eats birds. He'll eat turtles, probably.
Can't believe how calm that water is.
He just did a little shake. It's a pond.
I know, I'm just saying how calm. You think there'd be little ripples.
That's the guy right there. Watch out, he'll eat your cat.